Or below freezing.
Yeah, I couldn't cut my tile properly.
So what kind of tile, what kind of, we need a new blade, I don't know what, tile cutter blade. Oh, then take it off if it's not working.
Broke.
Take it off. Yeah, don't use it then.
Yeah, this is dangerous.
Anything that breaks, just take it off. It's going to be too much of a pain. So eat your drinks, eat your meal, because when I come back, we gotta go, huh?
Okay.
Because it's getting late now, it's getting late.
Alright.
But it looks better up here, I'm just watching the window.
Is that the water heater acting up again?
Yeah, that's the, I don't know if it's acting up. Did he say anything about it, or just...
No.
You never said anything about it?
I texted him, I asked him what the problem was, and of course he did not reply.
I mean, that may just be like it's... I mean, nothing is, that might just be a normal thing. Because we don't have anything.
But the last time it was like really groaning, like, as if it's dying or something.
It does that for a few minutes and then it stops. Have you used the hot water at all?
A little bit, but it's not even working.
Well, you have to keep it on for a while.
Yeah.
I wish this thing would be moved over. I don't like it here as much.
Which one?
This cart. It should be against the window. I think it looks better when it's against the window instead. But
Does our water heater do that?
ours is gas. I don't remember the one at Parkamo because that was electric. The one in Vanderveer was gas.
Oh.
Yeah. So Parkamo had an electric one, and I honestly don't remember. I couldn't tell you. I don't know if that's just doing like a pressure release thing.
Okay, so that guy there, my beloved tile cutter, that is the very reason why I did not finish my job tonight, because the blade is very not sharp. So every time I cut my tiles, it would just break. Well, I guess I need to buy another blade that is somewhat sharper so I can finish my job. Like that. Like you see, I cut some tiles to, make it appear like it has a straight line in there. But then apparently they were not properly cut because of my blade that is not sharp. And so over there too, see, it has like a blank slate there. See the tiles that I tried to cut and how jagged they are? Like they're ugly. See how I couldn't make like a straight cuttings. So I couldn't just install this here because it would look really, really ugly. This side of the tiling, I did this months ago, but I did not finish because electricians still have to, install the plate there for the outlet. So that pretty much that's what I did tonight. Wasted my time trying to cut some tiles, pieces of them, but they break each time I do it. So I'll just have my carpenter do this, finish this one since he has like a very good tile cutter. And then, so that hole there used to be a hole, but this sink that I got from yard sale, it is supposed to be a 3-system, faucet sink. But then I found online this very nice faucet, and it only has one, it's 3-in-1. The handles are supposed to be on the right and the left for cold and hot water. It's already here. All you have to do is just ta-ding, and then move it to the left. If you want the water run hot, move it to the right. If you want it cold, but I like this system. It's clean slate and it looks modern, so I really like it. And so now I have these two areas with the big holes, and so I had to buy this one. I don't know what you call that, but I had to cover the hole, otherwise the water would splash in there and then it would go through my cabinets, and it would be a disaster. So those holes should be covered. So that's it for tonight for the bathroom, and I will have my grand reveal once everything is done.